Language learning made easy.
Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Leisure and Entertainment. Unit 16. A Haunted House.
Oh no, it's raining. I wanted to go to the beach today.
Well, I'm visiting a haunted house this afternoon. You can come with me if you like.
A haunted house? What is it like?
It's really dark, with lots of old furniture and pictures on the walls. It's called a haunted house because it's full of ghosts.
You're joking, right? I don't believe in ghosts. Where is the haunted house?
The house is in the old forest.
Oh, are you really sure you want to go?
What's wrong? I thought you didn't believe in ghosts.
Well, I don't really believe in ghosts, but...
That's okay. I don't believe in ghosts either. I was only joking. The old house isn't really haunted. It's just a very old, empty house.
Phew, I'm glad to hear that. Sure, I'll come with you.
Vocabulary. Rain. Beach. Haunted house. Dark. Old furniture. Wall. Ghost. Joking. Believe. Empty. Thank you and goodbye.